today I'm going to go through my favorite hive. I am so excited that it is off the rails and I can move all around it however I want. The goal is to just check the hive as usual, but this time I'm actually going to focus. I am going to look for food specifically, and I am going to look for brood specifically, and that's what I'm going to remember. Food and brood. Oh, it's been a while since I've been in here. I can't even get the lid off. Ugh, I don't know if the hive tool works with the lid. I guess apparently it does. Okay, what I see looks good. It looks like there's a lot of beehives in there. It looks like there's drawn out beehives.
A lot of beehives in there.
Okay, what I see looks pretty good. It looks like there's a lot of bees in here, and it looks like we have some drawn out combs, so I hope that is a good sign. It's super sticky. I don't know if that's relevant to anything. Oh, and I should mention, if you see something going very wrong, please feel free to tell me. I will know for next time. Okay, drawn out, so I guess this is getting better as we go. I think as far as I know what to look for, it's looking good. Gosh, there's not much to see on these frames here, but there's a ton of bees in there. Maybe we'll have more to look at the bottom frames. Makes me wonder if I should start at the bottom, actually. I don't know how hard that would be. Okay, lots of space. Plenty of bees. Nothing to see. Oh, this one looks promising. Okay, look at this, look at this. I say we officially have brood. Tell me if you think I am right or wrong. To me that looks like a good pattern of brood and a good sign. I don't see the queen though.
I mean, okay. Look at the queen. Is a really nice brood frame.
Yay! Confirmation.
I don't see her on here. So we're going to take your 4 dead frames out of here. I'm going to go get those 4 honey frames.
Drawing it out. I think we're good. I think we're so far so good.
Okay, so let's move all these frames to the center. All right, these are resource hives I just took from the Marines. Look at that one.
Oh, that's
Set that on your lid.
all right. On to box number 2. Ah. it. I wonder if a little smoke would not hurt the situation here. Ooh.
You're the beekeeper, it's your call.
Alright, let's put a little smoke on the topic. Alright, so on the top we saw all that good brood. And I feel like I'm not going to see food portion of my food and brood theory on the bottom. But because it's doing so well, you know, as far as I know, it's doing so well, I'm thinking there's a shot that I might find the queen. Do not see a queen yet. I'd really like to. I feel like I'm taking too long. Wow, look at this. I see brood. I see that milk brood in there. See little pollen. Oh, I like this. This looks good. Lots of action. Yeah, I don't see a queen.
Yeah.
Okay. I feel like it's good news. I feel like there's lots of little pollen, lots of milk brood, some larvae, lots of bees. I feel like it's all the things I want to see, minus the one thing I'd like to see.
There she is. That's your queen. I'm gonna set this down. Your queen is on here. Let them dry. You get to do with your inspection.
Okay. Now that I know for sure the queen is in here, I think I'm just gonna take a quick peek through the rest of it and close it up. I think my real fun for today will be pouring back through this video and knowing what frame I'm on. I was on 1, 2, 3, 4-ish when the queen was found, so it's gotta be a thing. And actually plan B, look at all these. I'm closing this sucker up. That is a lot of bees. This is a lot of bees. It's making me want to do the quick escape. Can I, ooh.
Just let her out.
If you have any opinion or suggestions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.